Happy birthday! Hey guys! So it is 4 o'clock, Tuesday, July 6th, and this week Avery is turning 1. Can you believe she's turning 1, Artijan?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I was just telling Alexis that this is the start of my journey of Avery last year, because I got inducted like in the hospital at 3:30.
I know.
And I was there for like the whole week.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So we thought we would vlog, you know, in the last couple of days before Avery turns 1. Can't believe she's turning 1. And today we're gonna have dinner somewhere as a little kind of like early celebration-ish for Avery. So I think we're going to a restaurant. It's like an Italian restaurant called what's it called? Bicicletta. So yeah, I haven't been there before, but Abby said it's really good. So we're just waiting on Kumak. Yeah, it's kind of early, but we have dinner kind of early. But yeah, so we'll see you guys when we're at the restaurant or something. So bye.
We'll be on the floor for a bit until I get the food. We're currently in here now, and want to watch Alex. So she got the bicicletta board. So this is, what is it, Lex?
We got antipasta platter. So we have some olives, some cheese. I think that's blue cheese and some milky cheese. And maybe I'm not too sure. And there's some eggplant, sun-dried, and meat selection. So yeah, my favorite. I love platters like this. And we also have some orange chili balls. We ordered and some salt and pepper squid.
No, it's mixed seafood.
Ah, mixed seafood.
Yeah. That's hotel crab legs, that one.
Oh, there. Yeah, that was a crab. That was nice. And then some octopus and nuts.
And this little one, eating bread. Yummy, Avery?
Custard. I got the lamb cutlets. This is massive. And Ati Daya got the ossobuco, right?
Yeah.
So that's a meal. And Kumak got a whole pizza to himself.
We can share.
And Avery got food too.
Avery got potatoes. So Alex, how do you feel about our dinner tonight?
The dessert was fine. It was good. It was yummy. I had the lamb and it was a lot, but I finished it. We should take it before and after. Yes, nice. And now we're just waiting for the dessert. So we ordered some dessert. We have the tiramisu, which I got, and Ate got the sticky date, but we're gonna share it anyway. Looks really delicious. My favorite. Guys, kakatapos lang namin. Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner and now we're heading home. It was really delicious.
Did you have fun at your dinner, Avery?
I'm wearing masks now because masks are mandatory in Canberra. There's no cases, but masks are mandatory now. And yeah, I'm trying to get my alcohol sanitized. So we're heading home now. I mean, Kuya are rocking the Kathmandu's. Sorry, guys.
Hey!
She's turning 1. Kita. One little finger, one little finger. Finger, tap, tap, tap. Put your finger up.
Avery! Hi! Avery! We're gonna call you.
Kuya John was there. Kuya Alvin.
We're gonna call you on Thursday. You have to greet her happy birthday.
Okay.
Pa-practice lang.
You're holding! Hold off. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, good girl. You try again. Oh.
Avery, walk to. Walk to Tata.
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh.
Oh, good work. Let's try again.
Doing that.
Come on.
Do it again, Ames, go.
Did you just make your own steps by yourself? Did you? Oh. She did by herself.
Go, Avery, go.
Come here, Avery. Oh my god, jump.
She's like, I get faster there.
Papa, Dada? Dad? Dad? Where's Daddy?
Where's Tata?
Where's Tata? Where's Tata? Where's Nana?
Avery.
She's rapid.
Good morning, guys. So today is the 7th of July, one day before Avery's party. This time last year, they popped my water and I'm in the process of labor, or trying to get there anyway. Yeah, I still remember. I have that on a vlog somewhere. I'll link it if you guys want to see my birthing vlog. But yeah, today is the 7th and one day before Avery's party, and I thought I'll start doing some decorations or just organizing it. So her party got cancelled in Sydney due to the lockdown. It's not cancelled, but it's going to be postponed, and I'm not quite sure when yet. So we're going to do a little celebration here. Pretty much it's only me, Marcus, Avery, and Alexis, but she is going to have like a party with some friends here on Sunday. But tomorrow we're just going to do like a little cake smash, and we're probably not quite sure if we're going to eat out or if we're going to cook here at home. But yeah, I got some balloons here. This is the balloons that we have. We're going for like a kind of like a pastel or rainbowy kind of color balloons, and I got some white as well to add to it. And I'm going to try to make a garland, but I'm not quite sure if I can do that because I'm not sure how to do them. And also she does have a cake for a cake smash. Thank you to Tita Inderjit. Yeah, so that's Mark's workmate, and she is making a cake for Avery for her cake smash tomorrow, which is pretty exciting. And we did order a dress for her, so that should be coming hopefully today. But yeah, that is it. And Alexis is busy at the moment. No, she's making something. She's making something for Avery. What are you making, Lex?
A birthday card for Avery.
Her birthday card. She's making a birthday card for Avery. That is it. I'm gonna start pumping up some balloons. I do have an electric pump, but I'm just gonna use this one because the electric one goes really fast and it gets really big. And we only need little small balloons. I'm gonna try to make the small ones. And just in case I need to go to the shops again to buy more stuff, beside that then.
Avery's having her lunch now. Her last lunch as an 11-month-old. But yeah, I prepped her lunch today, so she has her mandarins, avocados, which she really enjoys, and her arancini balls, which we heated up. She loves that one. Avery! Yummy! Hello Avery, happy birthday!
So this is her little outfit for tomorrow's cake smash, and we got this from Amazon. Pretty cool. Really cheap, only $17 because we weren't really sure. She was meant to have like originally a safari theme, but we had to quickly improvise and make something. And hi Avery, you're sleepy. Are you ready for your cake smash tomorrow? Huh?
Chuchi, what are you doing, baby? You wanna see your face? Careful. Who's that? Hello! Hello, Chuchi. Are you turning 1 tomorrow? To camera. Can you say hello? Hello. So you're turning 1 tomorrow? Huh? She's in a little robe. It's so cute. It's so cold here in Canberra. Look how cute her robe is. It's a bunny. I got a cutie little bunny. So she's only allowed a few minutes of screen time every day, but she's here. Oh, oh. Look at this cute little bun bun. Still can't believe she's turning 1. Look at her little long wispy bits of her hair. So cute. Yeah. Are you singing? What are you singing? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. First, place them on your lap. She loves that song. Baby Shark? Baby Shark, do 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 do. Baby Shark, do 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 do. Parang parehas lang yung mga signs na, guys. Parehas din yan sa Twinkle Twinkle. Oh, every twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. What's your diamond? Like a diamond, good girl in the sky. The only changes is the speed of yung paggaganon niya.
When the song come on, let me see you get gone. Baby mamas, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it on. Turn it on.
If she a baby mama,
Go ahead.
she gon' do that baby mama.
Work.
She gon' put it on you. She gon' do that baby mama. Drop,
Drop
drop,
it down,
drop,
drop it down, down low.
drop, drop,
Drop it
drop,
down,
drop,
drop it down, down low.
drop, drop,
Drop it
drop,
down,
drop,
drop it down, down low.
drop,
Do the
drop.
baby mama when I step out on the floor.